We're doing a tissue paper number decoration. Items used are a white foam board, X-acto knife, 5 sheets of tissue paper, hair rubber bands, and a hot glue gun. I did a number 3. I took my white foam board, I freehand a number 3, then I took my X-acto knife and carefully cut the number 3 out. I had 5 sheets of tissue paper, 3 pink and 2 purple. I laid the pink on top of the purple. I accordion fold or fan fold the tissue paper. Then I cut the paper, and as you can see, I placed a rubber band in the middle. You can use a tie if you wish, but I found the hair rubber bands are easier. When folding your tissue paper accordion style, you can make sure you fold it at least 1.5 to 2 inches. Now I took my scissors and I just made the corners round to give a more round petal effect. Now take your first sheet of tissue paper, pull it up, take your second sheet, third sheet, and you're just going to start forming your flower. You can twist it as you can to hide the rubber band, or if you choose to use string in the middle. Now I had most of my flowers open, and I wanted to start from the center of my project and work my way out. And at this point, I had recruited hubby to help me, and he did a great job gluing some of the flowers down. Our number 3 is coming along beautiful. As I said, I used 3 sheets of pink and 2 sheets of purple. So that's why you see that pink and purple effect. Hubby's doing a great job hot gluing the flowers to the foam board. Now our project is complete. Our lovely tissue paper number 3. This number 3 was for a Doc McStuffins party, and the little birthday girl loved it and matched her outfit. Now, this is optional. I took approximately 8 craft sticks, I hot glued them all together, and I applied them into the middle of the project to make a handle so the children will be able to hold the number 3 here. You can use your tissue paper decoration as decoration on a table. You can apply it to the wall, or I did make it versatile so the children will be able to use it as a photo booth prop as well. For more information about the bling stand and the picture, please visit the link below. Thank you for watching Sassy Crafting Mama. Please share, like, and subscribe.